Hello everyone, welcome back to my tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to model this bearing block using Creo Parametric. So our dimensions are given in this model, this figure. So by using this we are going to model this same component using Creo Parametric. First I'm just closing this, go to new, solid, part, just untick this use default template, just OK. Now here you can see all the dimensions are in mm. Choose the mm template, mm, Newton, part, solid, absolute, save OK. Now I just switching on all the planes and axis. Now I'm going to start with this feature, so bottom feature. So take the front plane, sketch view. Here first I'm going to draw a circle of radius 45. Here you can see radius 45. So take the circle, this radius is 45, so go to dimension, this one is 45, go to fit script. Now we created this one, but I want only this quarter. For that just create line, this line, this angle is, total angle is 90 degree. So from by taking this 45 and 45, this is 45. Similarly just make a mirror left side also. Before that just make this line for construction. So just click this one, construction. So similarly just mirror that side also. Select this line, mirror axis. So I have mirrored it. Then so remaining edges are we don't want, so just delete it. Use the delete segment, just delete it. Now I have created this one. This line I have created. This line I want to create. So here you can see the radius, this is 10. From here to here they have specified 20. That means this distance is 20. For that we can offset it. So go for offset, select this edge. Here it shows this direction, so correct only. So the dimension is 10. So we have offsetted, the total distance is 55 radius. Then one more arc we just want to draw. So this distance is 20. So for that select this same edge. This arrow mark shows this direction, but we want to offset opposite direction. For that we just want to specify negative minus 20, just OK. Now we have created, just close this command. Then we just want to make a semicircle this side. First what we will do, we will create features on one side, then we will mirror it. So I am going to create this left side. From that I am going to mirror it for right side. So take the arc, center with ends. So here midpoint we wanted. For that just create a line. So I have created a line. Then go to arc. This is line center line. This is previous line center line. So this line center, this point is not connecting. For that just keep this point here. Go to coincident, this point and this point, just make it coincident. Here you can see radius 10. Then one more arc, semicircle we just want to make. For that similarly same, take arc, this point here and here. So up to this we have created. Then we just want to make a radius 20 of circle, this one, and diameter of 10 this circle. Just go to circle, first circle, second circle. First circle radius is 20, that means diameter is 40. Second circle diameter is 10. Then one more, here the radius we just want to make of 15. For that simply just create a circle. Don't make it to equal to any of the circle. Just random circle just make it. So because it has to show the dimension, then just go to tangent, make this into this as a tangent, similarly this into this tangent. So now we have made it. This radius they have specified it as 15. For that, just go to dimension, this radius is 15. Now delete the unwanted edges using delete segments. So these edges we don't want, this line also we have created, that is also we don't want, this edges we don't want, this also we don't want, and this edge also we don't want. Then just mirror this edges this side also. Select this edges, press the Ctrl and hold, select this edge and select this edge also. Then go to mirror, select this axis. Now we have mirrored it. Just delete these edges. So now we have created the bottom feature. Just say OK. Go to extrude, make it symmetric. The thickness of this feature is 22. Here you can see 22. Save OK. Now we have created this bottom feature, but here you can see there is small portion, we just want to remove it. For that, select this mid plane, sketch view. So this cut plane you can see by clicking this one. Here we just want to make just create a reference, just close it, go to line, create a line. Here you can see this thickness is 15, here they have specified. So this one off is 7.5. just go to mirror, select this edge and go to line, make a vertical line up to this, again this and this. Just OK, extrude, symmetric, total length is 22, material removal, just say OK. Now we have created this bottom feature. From that we just want to build the second feature of this one. So for that, take this plane, this mid plane, go to sketch view. Now cut section, sketch view, cut section, take the reference of this. So I have taken reference of this, then close it. Here you can see this total length, one line we just want to draw, take a line, and here one small line, here one more line, here one more line. So this distance is OK. This distance they have specified 8. This distance is 10. This distance is 35. Then again go to line, make similar 10 mm line, then again this height also 35, we can make it equal line. Yes, this and this are equal. Now here one more line we just want to make. From that we can create a circle. So just create a line of 45. Just make it random line. This distance is 45 because the diameter of the circle is 45. Then again go here. This height is same 35. This distance is 5. Don't make it to equal to anything. Here this also be 35 and make it to here and connect to here. So this distance is 35 and this distance is 5. Okay, now everything we have specified. Here we just want to make a arc with center ends. There is a center here, make it center here and here. Here you just go to coincident, make it join. So this is 45. Then you just remove this edge. For this, go to delete segments and remove this. So this is, we just want to make it. Now sketch is done. Just go to OK, extrude, make it symmetry. The thickness of this is 15. Save OK. Now we have created this feature. Then here and here the thicknesses are varying. So further, just go to this surface, sketch view, make it reference of this circle, then close. Now just take a circle. I have created the circle. Save OK. Now go to extrude. See, this side extrusion length is 5 and this side extrusion length is 30. That is the way we just want to make. For that, variable, options, one side 5 and another side variable 30. Here you can see one side is 5 because circle we have created here. One side is 5, another side is 30. Save OK. Now we have created. Then finally we just want to make a hole of diameter 20. Take the surface, sketch view. Take the reference of this outer circle, close. Then go to circle, make a circle of diameter 20. Save OK. Then go to extrude, change the direction, click into 2 next. Save OK. Now you can see we have created the complete feature. Just hiding all. So we have done our bearing block modeling using Creo Parametric. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.